Wait, don't scroll past. This is hands down the coolest car ambient light with mind-blowing music sync. Look, let me clap my hands so you guys can see. Lately, a lot of guys have been asking me about the LED light, this wraparound center console ambient light. In today's video, I'll walk you through both the installation and user guide in detail. First, let's open the box. Inside, we have an installation manual, as well as a product quality certificate. Over here are the installation tools and a handy remote control. Next up is the main light strip. Let's plug in the power first. To make sure the light strip is working properly, once we confirm it lights up normally without any issues, we can move on to the installation. The installation is super easy. Just unroll the light strip. This strip goes right into the gap between the center console and the windshield. Just use your fingers to push the strip in, inch by inch, into that gap, see? Which is super flexible. There's a bit of extra length on this side. Basically, for most cars, it's longer than needed. Around 1.3 to 1.4 meters is more than enough. And they have a strip that's 1.5 meters longer. Any excess can just be snipped off with scissors like this. Snip. It can be cut anywhere you want. Cutting it won't affect its performance at all. Just smooth it out nicely and lay it flat, and you're done. Cable routing is also super simple. Grab the yellow pry tool included in the box, and hide the black power cable into the gap between the A-pillar and the dashboard. Use the pry tool to push it in inch by inch, keeping it hidden and looking neat and clean, which also keeps it out of sight. Finally, starting from the kick panel area, stuff the remaining power cable into the kick panel gap for a fully hidden wire setup. Then plug it into your USB port, a Type-C port, or the cigarette lighter socket, and it's powered up. Now let's power it on so you can see the effect. Look. Every time you turn on your car, it plays a welcome light animation to greet you whenever you get in. It totally elevates the ambiance and sense of ceremony. Plus, it has a built-in memory feature, so whichever color, mode, or brightness you set last time, it stays. Once installed, open up the app on your phone. When you open it, you'll see an RGB color wheel. If you want a solid color, you can pick it right away. Basically, any color you like can be dialed in. There are so many dynamic modes, and the brightness is fully adjustable too. Dim it down a bit, see? Or turn it up brighter. Brightness is completely customizable. Down here there's a mode button. Tap it, and you'll find over 100 vibrant dynamic light modes, like color transitions, flowing water effects, chasing trails, and tons of other colorful presets, including smooth gradient modes. The coolest part is this music sync mode. Tap this microphone icon and watch what happens when I clap my hands. Now let me play some music so you can get a feel for it. Check this out. Isn't that awesome? Guys, not only does this light strip have tons of modes, but the build quality is also top tier. Let me zoom in for a closer look. It's all soft, diffused light, no glare, no harsh reflections, and zero visible LED pixelation. You can see it right here on camera. It gives off a premium vibe, just like the ambient lighting in high-end luxury cars. No glare on the inside. So how does it look from the outside? Let's step outside the car and check. Look, the light is on inside. Now let's go outside. Standing outside the car, you can't see a single stray reflection of light. It's not like those cheap, tacky lights that reflect light all over the cabin. It doesn't reflect any light at all, and it's super safe to use. Let me show you. Right now, the light is on inside. I'll close the door, press lock, and the light strip inside automatically turns off. You don't have to unplug the power every time you get out of the car. And it won't drain your car's battery either. And whenever you get back into the car and pull the door handle, look, it turns on automatically. No manual switching required. We've also included a physical remote control for you. When you don't feel like pulling out your phone, you can use this remote for quick adjustments. Want red? Press once and it turns red. Switching between all kinds of colors is instant, with virtually zero latency. Even the dynamic modes down here are built right into the remote, as well as the music sync. Mode all accessible at the push of a button. Thank you for watching my video. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe to stay tuned for more awesome videos ahead.